Hi, everybody. My name is Jeff Eichler, and welcome to a preview of Synopsis 360. If you're not familiar with Synopsis 360, it's a group of people that come together once a month, the first Tuesday of the month. Our next meeting will be September 7th. And we like to say it's where content and community connect. And typically we review a book, a video, a podcast, an article. This month, we have Mark O'Brien. My friend Mark O'Brien is going to be facilitating, and we're going to be talking about a poem. And Mark, would you give us a brief overview of the poet and the poem?
Sure. The poet is Tony Hoagland, and actually he's someone I discovered when I discovered the poem, and I'll come back to that in a moment. Hoagland was born in 1953. Actually became a teacher as well as a frequently published poet, and passed away, sadly, from pancreatic cancer in 2018. The poem that we're going to talk about is called In the Land of Lotus Eaters. It was published in a collection that came out in 1992 called Sweet Ruin. And I happened to see the poem very shortly after it was published in Atlantic magazine, and appreciated the poem right away and was attracted to find out more about Tony Hoagland.
And Mark, what's a little bit about the poem? Like, why did you select it?
I was attracted to it from the very beginning because it's about distraction. And it's about the apparent contradictions between the necessity of distraction and the horror of distraction. And the way he pulled that off is just quite remarkable.
All right, very good, very good. All right, so again, September 7th, a poem by Tony Hoagland. And it's called In the Land of the Lotus Eaters. We meet at noon Eastern, September 7th. You can register and get details about the meeting in this same email. We look forward to seeing you there. Join us for a virtual lunch. Mark's going to be facilitating, and it promises to be, as always, a lively discussion. All right. Thanks, Mark, for joining us, and we'll see you in a few weeks.
Thank you, Jeff. See you then.